Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Dude, Where's My Coin? Four guys sitting around drinking craft beer talking about crypto. I'm here with my three best friends. I've got Brad.
And now.
Brian.
What's up?
And Rick.
Cheers. Hey, before we get to the crypto talk, we have to talk about the beers. It's a Mango Smash IPA from Three Nations Brewery. They're located in Farmers Branch, Texas. This is about a 7% beer, hoppy, with a very nice tropical fruit finish afterwards. For our friends outside of Texas and abroad, when you come here, I highly recommend you check out this brewery. All right, now let's get down to the crypto talk. Zach, you want to take over? Tell us what's going on with the market?
Yeah, I think before we get into the crypto talk, Rick, I wanted to follow up with you after our last video. How's Litecoin doing?
Litecoin? Yeah, I think everybody knows I meant Litecoin. I think I had a little senior moment first time on camera, but you know, we're having fun here. There's going to be some mistakes, but we're going to get this right for y'all.
All right, guys. Well, back to the crypto talk. We'll start with Bitcoin. As of right now, Bitcoin is sitting at $11,400. And when we made our video yesterday, Bitcoin was around 10.1 to 10.5. So we've had a pretty good increase today. And if you guys don't know, Bitcoin is the driver. So when Bitcoin goes up in price, all the other altcoins go up in price. And one of those would be Neo. Brian, did you ever wind up getting your Neo we were talking about yesterday?
No. And I want to. I don't know when to get in. See, like a lot of people, I've got money sitting in another exchange. Right now I've got money sitting in Bitcoin. So the idea is let Bitcoin get to a point, and then when I start to see a dip, get out of that, put it somewhere safe, and then buy Neo down at the bottom when it's at the bottom of the dip. But I don't see this market dipping right now, and that's my question to you guys is, when do I buy into Neo?
Well, I think talking about Neo and bringing that up, we should probably go to our Neo expert on the panel over here, and that'd be Brad.
Neo expert, I am not, but I do have some news for you today. As my environment might suggest, I have a new coin for you, Jesus Coin. Did a little research today and stumbled upon this gem. It's decentralizing Jesus on the blockchain. They've got some great videos out on their site. Their portfolio growth. This whole site is hilarious. The Jesus Coin will provide spiritual guidance to all of your crypto assets and help their growth.
Can I get an amen?
Absolutely. I mean, this thing's just great. It's a funny site. The team has done a great job with the site. The white paper's hilarious. Treat yourself to 15 minutes of entertainment.
Hey, Brad.
Yes, sir.
Do they have any followers?
I looked on their Twitter and they're sitting at 12.
It's 12.
Yeah,
Nice.
pretty nice.
All right. Well, with that great information there, Brad, I'll make sure to check out some Jesus Coin on my free time. But anyway, back to Neo, like we discussed yesterday. I mean, Neo is a platform. And what that means is that companies can go on there and release their tokens on the Neo platform. And one especially we need to talk about is called Narrative. So Narrative is actually going to be released tomorrow as an ICO. And what that is basically a social media network that rewards content creators and moderators for creating a social network. And basically how that differs from what you see on your Facebook or your YouTube videos is that whatever content they create, they get to keep the majority of that money, and they get to build the entire social network that they want. And that's how the reputation is going to go. It's all going to be on who contributes to it. So basically, it's getting there and just building your own decentralized social platform, which is really cool. So it's Narrative. Check it out. Their ICO goes live tomorrow. And if you got some Neo, you can purchase it. Another platform we were looking at was VeChain. Rick, you want to tell us a little bit about VeChain?
Sure. When I was doing a little research on Sunday, I've heard a lot of buzz on the internet, about VeChain. VeChain is a products and services platform. It's basically supply chain. It uses the blockchain to enhance the flow between companies and their distributors. They're currently in high-end goods, agriculture, and liquor. And that really caught my eye when they were in liquor. I looked at their market cap. They're at about 3.2 billion right now, and they're actually shown 24% growth over the last 24 hours. You know, some have said 2018 could be the year of Vin. Anyway, when I was searching them, I kind of looked at the charts, kind of saw what their relative strength index was. It was kind of low on Sunday. And I looked at the moving average, and it was right around where the price was at the time. And to me, those are good times to buy. I bought in on Sunday, a little low, and again, 24% gain. So I'm looking good today. I think they announced a partnership, didn't they, Zach?
Yeah, actually, they did announce a partnership. It's with the Yada Group. If I said that wrong, I apologize. They are actually a top real estate development company in China. So I find this really interesting going forward because, you know, China has definitely been against cryptocurrency from the beginning. And now it seems like they're more open to it. And Brian, I was curious kind of what your thoughts were on that.
Well, I mean, China might be against, the government of China might be against it, but I don't think the country of China is against it at all. I mean, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, a big chunk of all the crypto trading around the world comes out of China and Asia. So just because the government may be bashing on it, I think it's really strong there anyway. Now, the fact that the government is starting to actually look at it and getting open to it is going to do nothing but just blow it up even more.
I got a question for Rick. Back when you were talking about VeChain, relative strength indexes, moving averages, where are you getting that information from?
So I use two different sites for charts, TradingView and Coindogz. And within those sites, there are tools. Sadly, I don't have a computer that I can show y'all, but that's something we'll look to do moving forward. But there are tools on there where you can look at the relative strength index. It kind of talks about how the coin is trading. You know, when it's trading down at a lower level or a strength index of around 40, that's a good time to buy. When it gets up in the 70 to 80 range, that's a good time to sell. It was a little above 40 yesterday, but again, it told me it was a good time to buy. I bought, and so far, it's been a win.
Did go on a run a little bit today, so
Yeah.
looks like we're working out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think one thing too, just to add to Rick's point, when you're looking to buy altcoins, make sure that you're comparing it to Bitcoin over USD. And what I mean by that is that when you're on whatever site you're on, GDAX, Binance, you want to make sure you've got a pair set up where it's Bitcoin to USD. And when Bitcoin is outperforming the US dollar, you want to look for coins that are compared to Bitcoin that are underperforming Bitcoin's price. And so they may not be the cheapest coin you can buy, but for best dollar cost averaging and money you're going to make, you always want to buy the coins that are underperforming Bitcoin at that point. Even if it's above, even if it's only 1 or 2% above Bitcoin, I would wait until it dips down. You know, that way you can get the best bang for your buck per se, and you're buying that under Bitcoin's price. And since Bitcoin is the driver, you never want to buy above Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin right now sits at over 38% dominance in the market. So you don't want to go against Bitcoin because you're probably going to lose every time.
Absolutely. And we don't want to lose. We're not here to lose. We're here to win.
You'd say that theory applies for day traders as well as long-term holders?
You know, I think, dabbling very little in day trading, I think day trading, you're just playing the dips, the small dips as they come. Not experienced enough to do anything, but more than maybe $100 or $200 here and there on little small dips. But as far as day trading goes, I mean, there's a lot of other guys out there who have a lot more experience than that can give you advice on that. I'm more of a guy who can kind of show you kind of long-term investment strategies. But day trading, man, I'd stay away from it getting started.
Good deal. I think all of us to this point have all been pretty much holding, so
Correct.
Yeah.
long term.
Yeah.
Good deal.
Absolutely.
All right.
Awesome, guys. Well, hey, thanks again for tuning in to another episode of Dude, Where's My Coin? Once again, don't forget Mango Smash IPA. 3 Nations. Pick it up. It's a fantastic beer. We'll leave a link in the description so you guys can find them. So, talked about Neo. putting out some great ICOs on their platform. Be on the lookout. VeChain with their partnerships. Moving into China. We'll see what happens going forward. We will also leave a link down there if you guys want us to review an ICO. Or if you're a brewery and you want to be one of our featured beers on one of our shows, we'll leave a link in the comments for you guys to email us. And also, same thing, we're trying to get this show going. We're brand new. We'll also have some links for some donations at the bottom too. Until next time, this is Zach from Dude, Where's My Coin? Signing off. Cheers.
I love you.